A pacesetter is a paragon of strength. A pacesetter is a paragon of charm. A pacesetter is a paragon of power. And Gree is a pacesetter. Gree's objective: create a world-leading air conditioner enterprise and make Gree a world brand of the century. Leading the world, Gree Air Conditioners. Gree Electric Appliances Incorporated was founded in 1991 as a small enterprise merging Guangxiong Plastic Industry Company and Haili Air Conditioner Factory under the former Zhuhai Special Economic Zone Industrial Development Corporation. 15 years ago, it had only one 10-year backward production line for window-type air conditioners with an annual output of less than 20,000 units. Now, it possesses 46 production lines for different household air conditioners and 6 for commercial air conditioners, with the capacity to produce household and commercial air conditioners in over 20 categories, over 400 series, and over 7,000 models. The production capacity for household air conditioners reached 15 million units, while the target annual output value for the commercial air conditioners reached RMB 5 billion. It has become the biggest specialized air conditioner enterprise with the integration of R&D, production, sales, and service in China and even in the world. With a rapid development over the last 15 years, Gree Electric Appliances has now maintained 4 major production bases worldwide in Zhuhai, Chongqing, Brazil, and Hefei, and 5 sole invested or shareholding companies. Its 28,000 employees are located all over the world. Its products are sold to over 100 countries and regions in Asia-Pacific, Europe, America, and Africa. It has 50 million customers all over the world. In 2006, Gree Electric Appliances assumed arbitrarily the 4 top honors of the industry: Symbolic Brand of China's Air Conditioner Industry in July 2006, China's World Brand Product, granted for the first time to an enterprise in the air conditioner industry in September 2006, China Quality Management Award, the top award issued by China Association for Quality in November 2006, an Export Inspection Exemption Certificate, the top honor granted to the export enterprises with independent innovation by the General Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection, and Quarantine in 2006. It is a miracle and an everlasting classic legend created by Gree Electric Appliances, with its diligent perseverance for development and its progressive attitude in the history of China's household appliances. Gree's mission: uphold the industrial spirit, pursue perfect quality, provide professional service, and create a comfortable environment. This industrial spirit Gree Electric Appliances has always pursued has created the soul and core power of Gree Electric Appliances: innovation. Innovation is the eternal topic for the development of Gree Electric Appliances. Gree Electric Appliances has always taken technological innovation as its mission to constantly pursue the control point of technological development with generations of products produced, developed, and designed. Gree Electric Appliances allocates annually 3% of its sales income for its technical research and development. It is the enterprise with the biggest investment for technical R&D in China's air conditioner industry. It is this constant pursuit and continual breakthrough in technological innovation that has created the core competence of Gree Electric Appliances. It is the enterprising effort for innovation and technological innovation environment that has made Gree Electric Appliances the world's top kingdom of air conditioners. It has over 1,200 excellent talents and over 270 world-class laboratories. Gree Lab has been accredited by China National Accreditation Service for Conformity Assessment, China Household Electric Appliance Research Institute, German Rhineland Company, and other authentic organizations. Gree Electric Appliances' huge investment in technology has paid back with abundant achievements. Since 1991, Gree Electric Appliances applied 990 technical patents at home and abroad, and has especially made major technical breakthroughs in the areas of cooling, noise reduction, energy saving, and intellectualization. On August 24, 2005, China's first centrifugal water chilling unit was produced by Gree Electric Appliances, which has totally broken the monopoly of America over centrifugal technology. 2 months after that, the world's first ultra-low temperature multi-VRF system was also produced at Gree Electric Appliances, which has become the world-leading project evaluated by the Ministry of Construction since 1999. It is the top grade of the Ministry of Construction's Technological Achievement Appraisal. By attaching importance to technical innovation, Gree Electric Appliances becomes a tiger with wings. Now, Gree Electric Appliances has been independent in technical research and development and has independently developed various world-leading technologies such as intellectual human body impression, carbon monoxide detection, intellectual defrosting, and inverter VRF system. With its own technical core and power competitive strength, it has occupied the Chinese and foreign air conditioner markets. From 1995 to 2006, Gree Electric Appliances observed a rapid growth in terms of sales amount. For the 12 successive years, it ranked first in terms of production and sales volume, market share, and sales amount. Gree products are sold to more than 100 countries and regions all over the world, while its Gree brand air conditioners are sold to more than 70 countries and regions all over the world. During the 10 years from 1997 to 2006, Gree air conditioners have created a sales legend of 40 times export volume and 20 times export value. In 2006, Gree exported 4.8 million air conditioners, of which 40% had been products of Gree. Innovation is the soul for the leap-forward development of Gree Electric Appliances and the reflex of its industrial spirit. The practical attitude of more cider and less talk agglomerates the philosophy of Gree people to pursue the truth. And it is the loyalty, kindness, diligence, and striving that has reflected the profound cultural source and force for the innovation of Gree Electric Appliances.
好空调格力造。
My Pinche Shangali.
Gree sets the standard for the air conditioning industry.
Gree of China leads the world in air conditioners.
It is a kind of responsibility to be friendly to the nation and society. While becoming bigger and stronger, Gree Electric Appliances has also kept on caring for the public welfare. Over the last 15 years, Gree Electric Appliances has cumulatively donated more than RMB 40 million for different public welfare programs. During the 12 years from 1995 to 2006, it has cumulatively paid taxes of over RMB 3.5 billion. Applause and reputation are the return for hard-working people. Over a dozen of years, the Gree people have always worked hard and strived forward in creating the excellent quality of Gree. Striving is a terrace for success. Gree Electric Appliances takes each success as a new start and continues with constant development and innovation, pursuing the company's long-term development and implementing the grand blueprint of creating a century enterprise and found international brand. Gree Electric Appliances belongs to China as well as to the world. In the process of carrying out the corporate spirit of constant striving and promoting internationalization, by developing the overseas market with the tactics of first market and then factory, Gree Electric Appliances has established a perfect sales network covering more than 100 countries and regions all over the world, and has had more than 500 overseas Gree shops and Gree sales teams. In Brazil, Gree air conditioners have won the title of Brazil's most favorite brand. In 2006, Gree has also been appraised as China's top 20 large international enterprises in the eye of overseas Chinese in the world.
那我们现在走国际化道路应该是稳扎稳打，让全球的人都能够认可你这个品牌，你必须是把自己的产品输送出去。格力电器的战略目标就是在全球要达到30%的市场占有率，这才能够真正实现我们全球知名品牌的这样的一个地位。
制造精品的产品，创立精品的品牌，那么这是我们在市场竞争中立于不败之地的需要，也是我们走出世界的需要，也是我们创造效益的需要，同时也是打造百年企业的需要。
Gree people spent 15 years in starting from zero, striving in a hard war, and creating the marvelous Gree brand known in China and the world. With its constant innovation, outstanding consciousness of creating a masterpiece, and its far-seeing vision for the century and the world, Gree people will also write a world-renowned and everlasting legend. Gree leads the world. The world focuses on Gree.